but without the right people to guide it, it won't. I've seen super amazing technology that just went nowhere.
So I think that's a different kind of take on it. That the right market makes kind of the biggest difference.
Does everyone agree that team is the biggest asset?
So I've seen lots of analysis on this. I think this is something that divides opinion. Is it the jockey or is it the horse? Is something that I saw in a presentation on this. Team is so important. Um, it just is the right people. But in the deep tech space, having the right technology is also so important. So that's a really hard one to answer. I think when you get into more technical or different industries, the tech is super important, but without the right people to guide it, it won't. I've seen super amazing technology that just went nowhere, right? And I've seen teams which were super amazing that had what I would thought of as second-rate technology, and they took it through. So I think it's a combination of those two things, like anything else, to make a successful business and a high growth business.
So there's this quote. I don't remember who said it. If the it says if the market is good and the founding team is all right, the market wins. If the market is all right but the founding team is amazing, the market wins. And if the market is good and the founding team is good, then that's where the magic happens. So I think that's a different kind of take on it. That the right market makes kind of the biggest difference. But also, picking a good team, and this is comes from multiple investments where they've pivoted to find the right market, right? While we may have invested in them with a particular market and a use case and a product in mind, but they've pivoted and found a market that really works for them. Uh, and so I'm nuanced. I mean I'm a bit biased on the side of investing in the right team, and pushing them or supporting them more, like supporting them in their journey to find the right market.
And I'll agree. I love that line up to that too. But we run a podcast where I interview angels and VCs around the world, and what I found interesting is that a lot of them will say that they will invest in a team and a B founder any day of the week. And I think that what that means is that team is going to propel that founder to be just as strong as the team at some point in time, and they'll be able to bring any product to market because the team is kind of the bread and butter to what's making this successful. And you're right, it lines up from obviously from a founder to a product. All of these elements are key to anything that's going to be successful. But I think a team really allows you to work your way through the markets, work your way through the financials, get in front of more people that are going to understand your product and your solution. So, really surround yourselves, if you can, with as much quality people as you possibly can, people that understand your vision, understand the goals and the dreams that you're trying to go after, and help you kind of put that into a strategy and into a game plan that's going to move forward and that's going to allow you guys to focus. I think every team, as Daniel alluded to, is that they all want to have common goals. They all want to go towards and strive to win something. So what is that end goal and what does that focus look like? And if you can line those all up into a nice, great strategy and get buy-in, then everybody wants to get behind you and they're going to help support you all the way through. So really be focused and pay attention to what the team and what the markets are doing, which means you got to do more research, and as a leader, always staying attuned to what's going on in your space. And the deeper you get into that space, the more you're going to learn, the more unknowns you're going to find. And it's your job and your team's job to work your way through that. And as you grow, you'll be bringing more accredited team members into your mix that are going to help you survive and grow. And really the first few years are really about a survival. So how do you do it with the best people? And that's what's going to make it worthwhile and help you grow your business.